Jai Hind to all. Today our lecture topic is international terrorism, and I would like to cover this topic firstly by introduction, then coming to the intentions behind the terrorist to do these type of bloody activities. Secondly, the causes of it, and thirdly, solutions, and then simple conclusion. So terrorism is to create violent acts which are intended to create fear in the public, fear in the society. Thousands of people, not thousands, but lakhs of people, if I say, lakhs of people have died, and so many people were badly affected due to terrorism. In this modernized world, in this globalized world, terrorism is one of the major problems that the whole world faces. In general, terrorism causes bombings, arms raiding, hijackings, kidnapping, etc. So what are the intentions behind the terrorist to do these type of bloody activities? Not all the terrorists have the same intentions. Everyone has a different intention. Some intentions are as that some terrorists want to create fear in the public. Some terrorists do not see themselves as an evil. They thought whatever they are doing for a good reason. Some terrorists want media attention towards themselves, so that they can easily famous. Some terrorists want to earn good money in less time, so they started doing illegal activities. Some terrorists decrease the country economy of the country by discouraging their foreign investments and the tourists. So there are some intentions behind the terrorists to do these activities. What are causes why terrorism is promoted? There are a lot of causes. Number one is unemployment. Second is illiteracy, injustice by the government, negligence, religious extremism, extreme nationalism. These are some causes which promote terrorism in the world. So what are the solutions behind that? There are a lot of solutions, but what is the need to be more focused on it. Firstly, government should have to be eradicate the poverty. I agree that government took good steps and taking good steps, and I will take good steps, but thing is need to be focused on more that thing. Secondly, we should have to create awareness in our surroundings, in our society, so that the people, even students, do not radicalize to join the terrorism. And government should have to take various steps regarding this. And in the conclusion, I would like to say that terrorism can be easily eradicated by the government. Easily eradicated by the government if government mainly focus on the cause of it, because prevention is better than cure. And I also like to say that every people in this country, in this not in country, in the whole world, must know his religion, and also the truth that killing the people, killing the humans is against the code. So I would like to finish this topic by saying that we should all have to be join our hands to make this world a better place to live in. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning, gentlemen. Today's lecture topic is international terrorism. International terrorism refers to the terrorism that goes beyond the national boundaries of the country. And the terrorists attack the people they have been targeted or the place where from they operate. Whole mission. Terrorism, big reason to be comes up is the poverty. It's a theory that poverty concluded the terrorism. As an individual or a group of people who are not able to get the basic necessity or the resources, they express their outrage in the way of terrorism. They join an organization on the behalf of only a 4 reason. Behind the terrorist is individual, systematic, rational and ideological factor. These all 4 factors sums and concluded the terrorism, so that they can get the resources which is the necessity in their life. But they do not think that a life of an individual or a group of people have been targeted to do so. It affects the economy in negative manner of a country. Iraq, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Syria and Nigeria. These are the countries which more have been affected by the terrorism. Terrorist attack at public places such as school, college, mall, theatre, so that they can be safe in that places. If that country, special forces or security have to neutralize them, first they have to ensure their citizens' life and then they have to neutralize the terrorist. If we talk about the terrorist attacks, so take an example of 9/11 attack in 2001 in United States of America. It have been considered by the Al-Qaeda, an Islamic extremist organization of terrorists. It is working under the direction of Osama bin Laden. Osama bin Laden have been killed in Pakistan by the special forces and a special execution of plan by the United States of America, the special power in whole world. It set an example that the terrorism will get an answer and in an effective manner. If we take an example of India, there has been a change in the face from 26/11 attack of Mumbai, of Taj Hotel, to Uri attack, to Pulwama attack. In recent two attacks, India has answered in a great manner. As our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji said, it is a new India. If we are determined to do so, the work will accomplish. At an international level, all the countries should be aligned together to boycott the country like Pakistan, where the seeds of terrorism are grown. The watering is done there and the terrorist develops there. So that in each and every aspect like games, Olympics, economic help, financial help, health related helps, all things should be not given by other countries. Then only they will realize that they are doing wrong thing and they will understand the importance of an individual lives. And this is the thing that can overcome the terrorism. Thank you.